that the direction given to Inspector General by the DPP is that they need to investigate the matter and forward the file to him. So I think part of what we are going to do is the process of investigation, because I don't think they can carry in investigations without first recording a statement, and I hope they will be genuine enough in disclosing the actual thing that we are going to do. We are going to Nakuru Police Headquarters to record a statement. So that's why I'm wending to, and I think I'll comply with the law on the invitation by the police officers, and I think we won't be able to get out of it. Hope this is not an ET squad, which we are used to, right? So, but let the public know I'm already in the hands, and that's why we are ended to. So.
Senator, do you regret maybe making that statement, and is that what really you meant?
To the extent that I may have been misquoted or been misunderstood, that was a UDA rally, and what I meant was that those people that are not followers of UDA should be rejected by the Washington issue voters. That was what I meant. I am not a warlord. I am not a warmonger. You know, I'm peace loving and I preach peace. I have no record for preaching violence.